The first of the 18 set metro trains made by a Chinese company was delivered to the Porto Metro Company of Portugal on Saturday. The 4-car train is on display in the Trindade metro station at the center of Porto from Saturday till Tuesday. It was made by CRC Tangshan, one of China's largest makers of trains, high-speed trains and metro vehicles. Portuguese Minister of Environment and Climate Action, Duterte Cordeiro, said that the train meets expectations of the public passengers of top quality. More security to advance more people to use the public transports. After several trials and tests, the first train will start its service in May. All trains will be delivered by September. With lightweight, the metro train adopts digital technology with low energy consumption. Its maximum speed reaches 80 km per hour and has a capacity of 244 passengers. Portugal is the first European Union country to purchase China-made metro trains.